Hello Anarcoders and welcome to this Python programming tutorial for beginners. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the print statement in Python. To simplify our experience, we will use what's called an online IDE. An IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is just a fancy way of saying the place where we write our code and run it. I chose www.online-python.com because it is easy, straightforward to use without a lot of setup. If you would like, follow along on there. It'll be in the description if you want to just click through. So the print statement is used to display text on the screen. It's a great way to output information and to help you understand what your programming is doing. It is a function, which we will discuss more in the 5th episode of this series. So let's start by writing a simple print statement to welcome you, the viewer. We write print welcome Anarcoders. And if we run it, we will see it says welcome Anarcoders in the bottom here. And so in the above example, we printed the words welcome and Anarcoders. This is an example of what in programming is called a string, because it is a string of different characters combined together. A character is a letter, for example W, A, but it can also be an exclamation point and a space from the above. By combining all of these characters, we make what's called a string. We will talk more about strings in the next episode where we discuss different data types. Next, let's use a special character. A special character is a character that the compiler, or the program that actually runs our code, would not understand if we did not specify that it is a special character. And so here's an example of that. If we write print, let's write a special character, then it prints out let's write a special character. But if I were to remove this backslash, it'll say, hey, invalid syntax. I don't understand what you're talking about. The reason for this is I didn't include this backslash. The backslash is used as an escape special character in Python strings. This allows you to include characters such as quotes, backslashes, and new lines in your string. It's very important because otherwise the compiler will have no idea what you're trying to write. And basically, without the backslash, it will get confused because it'll say, wait, you wrote the string let, and then you wrote a bunch of random letters that I don't know what they mean. So when you write the backslash, it lets you actually put in a quotation mark in your string. And there you have it. You just learned the basics of using a print statement in Python. Try out these examples on your own and experiment with different strings and special characters and parameters. Stay tuned for the next lesson where we cover variables and data types, and make sure to watch the follow-up to this video when we make a more advanced version of the print statement video. Thank you for watching.